Congratulations on your decision to embark on a career as a real estate agent. It's an exciting time to dive in. As of the previous year, the United States boasted over 1.5 million realtors, a figure that's been on the rise since the real estate boom of 2021. Wondering how to secure your real estate license and join the thriving market? Remember, the journey to becoming an agent varies from state to state, encompassing different processes, qualifications, costs, and timeframes. It's crucial to grasp what's required to kickstart your promising career in this field. In this video, we'll guide you through all the essentials you need to know. Prepare yourself to embark on the path of real estate sales. The allure of a career in real estate lies in its flexibility, independence, and, undoubtedly, the potential earnings. On average, realtors earn an income that's around the national average, exceeding $80,000. But the exciting part? There's essentially no ceiling to what a realtor can earn. Once you've fulfilled your state's licensing prerequisites, the possibilities in real estate are boundless. How to get a real estate license? 1. Research your state's licensing and education requirements. Begin by orienting yourself with the specifics. Each state sets its standards for pre-licensing education and the license application process. Consult your local real estate commission to grasp the essentials for acquiring your license. Commonly, states stipulate academic instruction in real estate fundamentals such as titles, deeds, contracts, and ownership of property. State residency where the license application is being made. A minimum age requirement, typically 18 years or older. A thorough criminal background examination. Availability of classes both in person and online, but ensure your chosen course and institution are recognized by your state's real estate licensing authority. Before enrolling in any real estate school, confirm its accreditation and recognition by your state. If you're transitioning as a licensed real estate agent to a new state, check for a reciprocity agreement with the state where you were initially licensed. Such agreements can sometimes fulfill pre-licensing requirements in the new state. This doesn't exempt you from obtaining a license in the new state, but it might streamline the process. Take Idaho, for example, which has reciprocity with Wyoming, Oregon, and Montana. Holding an Idaho license means you may not need to undergo pre-licensing courses when applying in these states. However, you will still need to complete the state-specific sections of the exam in Wyoming, Oregon, and Montana. Your pre-licensing requirements could be reduced if you possess a real estate degree or are a practicing attorney. If you're finding this information helpful and want to stay updated with more insights like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This way, you'll always be in the know with the latest in real estate. Now, let's continue to explore more about the journey of becoming a real estate agent. 2. Complete the education requirements. Embarking on a career as a real estate agent involves dedicating both time and money. It's important to be aware of the financial commitments and plan your budget accordingly before starting your journey. Consider that different pre-licensing schools have varied structures. Some offer a fixed schedule of classes spanning several weeks, while others provide the flexibility to progress at your own pace. Evaluate your options carefully, selecting the format that best suits your lifestyle and timetable. Additionally, the cost of these pre-licensing courses varies depending on the school and the state. Generally, you might find yourself investing anywhere from $200 to $1,000 for these educational courses. 3. Apply for the real estate licensing exam in your state. When you're confident in the knowledge gained from your real estate classes, the next phase is to register for the licensing examination. This involves paying an application fee and scheduling your test with an external provider, such as PSI exams. In many states, it's not mandatory to finish all your educational requirements before registering for the exam. This can expedite your licensing process, allowing you to fulfill your educational credits while your exam application is being processed. Remember, this stage is distinct from applying for your actual license, which is a step you'll take only after successfully passing the real estate licensing exam. 4. Pass your state licensing exam. It might seem straightforward, doesn't it? However, there's a good reason why states mandate educational prerequisites before allowing candidates to attempt the real estate licensing exam. Being well prepared significantly enhances your probability of success compared to relying on guesswork during the test. The examination typically comprises around 100 multiple-choice questions, encompassing both national and state-specific real estate principles and regulations. The pass mark varies by state, but often, a score of at least 70% is needed to qualify for licensure. Expect the exam duration to range from 1.5 to 3.5 hours, and be ready to pay a fee that might be anywhere between $15 and $100. Don't forget to secure an official transcript or a certificate of completion from your educational institution, along with a copy of your test results, as these documents are necessary for your real estate license application. 5. Apply for your real estate license. After taking the exam, your next steps involve forwarding your test scores, real estate license application, and associated fees. The cost of applying for a license ranges from $50 to $250. Additionally, a background check may be necessary, which could set you back by $40 to $100. It's crucial to check with your state's real estate commission regarding the requirement of errors and omissions (E&O) insurance before application submission. This insurance safeguards real estate professionals against monetary losses and legal claims arising from their professional activities. In some cases, your brokerage firm may offer E&O insurance. If not, securing this insurance independently before applying is often a prerequisite. To be eligible for a real estate license, every state mandates that applicants be at least 18 years old and possess a GED or a high school diploma. Furthermore, you must be legally eligible to work in the United States, and several states also stipulate state residency as a criterion. Following the submission of your application, the processing of your license can take anywhere from a week to 2 months. 6. Find a real estate brokerage. Now that you've obtained your license, it's important to note that this doesn't immediately equate to being able to sell properties. In many states, there's a requirement to associate with a sponsoring real estate broker during your initial years in the profession, typically spanning 2 to 3 years. A real estate brokerage functions as an office or agency where agents conduct their business. Since a brokerage is essential for generating revenue, it's wise to start looking for one even before you complete your training. When selecting a brokerage, here's what to consider. Diverse brokerage models. The brokerage you choose will shape your workload, the training and mentorship opportunities available to you, and the workplace culture you experience. Common types of brokerages include large franchise brokerages. Established names like Keller Williams Realty, RE, Max LLC, and Coldwell Banker offer systematic training, brand recognition, and additional resources for newcomers. Boutique brokerages. These smaller, local agencies often offer tailored training and greater opportunities for career progression. Online brokerages. The rise of software as a service, SaaS, has led to the emergence of online brokerages. Advantages of these include better commission rates, reduced office rent costs, and advanced technological resources. Workplace environment. Enjoying your work environment is crucial. Consider asking these questions. Does the brokerage mandate further training? Is there a mentorship program for new agents? Are agents required to cover floor time or assist others? How are leads distributed within the brokerage? Will you be responsible for your marketing efforts? Commission structures overview. Understanding the commission structure of a brokerage is key before committing. Here are 3 typical models. Standard split arrangements. These offer a 50-50 split between you and the brokerage, often coupled with low or no office rent fees. High commission plans. These plans offer a larger share of the commission, ranging from 70% to 100%, but typically come with higher monthly office rent fees. Hybrid schemes. Blending features of both previous plans, hybrid models might start agents on a 70% commission, increasing to 100% upon reaching certain financial targets. Larger franchises might also implement franchise fees, which can range from 5% to 8%. Clarify with potential employers about any additional deductions from your commission to fully understand the agreement you're entering. 7. Join the National Association of Realtors, NAR. Securing your license and aligning with a brokerage brings you close to being a realtor, but there's another step. It's not legally mandatory, yet joining the National Association of Realtors, NAR, is essential if you want the privilege of calling yourself a realtor. This affiliation is often a prerequisite for accessing most multiple listing services, MLS. These services are crucial as they enable you to view listings from other realtors. Without an NAR membership, you're recognized as a real estate agent and can legally operate in the industry. However, lacking MLS access could potentially limit your opportunities for income generation. 8. Renew your license regularly. Earning your real estate license is a significant accomplishment, but remember, it requires regular renewal. It's crucial to be aware of your state's specific renewal timeline, which typically occurs every 2 to 4 years. To stay eligible for renewal, many states mandate the completion of a certain number of course hours, ranging from 8 to 90 hours over a few years. These ongoing educational requirements are vital to keep you informed about the latest developments in both national and state-specific real estate markets and laws. To avoid last-minute rushes, make sure to familiarize yourself with the renewal criteria set by your state's licensing authority well in advance. This way, you won't find yourself in a bind trying to complete up to 90 hours of coursework just days before your license is due to expire. Choosing to pursue a career as a real estate agent is a significant commitment that demands your time, focus, and unwavering dedication. However, the payoff includes the opportunity for substantial earnings and the prospect of eventually becoming an independent business owner, factors that often motivate and excite sales professionals. If this career path resonates with you, now is the time to embark on this journey. As we wrap up, I hope you've gained valuable insights into the journey of obtaining a real estate license and the exciting opportunities that await in this dynamic field. The path to becoming a successful real estate agent is filled with learning, growth, and potential for personal and professional development. If you're intrigued by the prospects in real estate and want to deepen your understanding, there's more to explore. Especially in challenging economic times, it's crucial to be equipped with strategies that work. I invite you to continue your learning journey with our next video. Discover 6 market-savvy techniques agents and loss use in a downturn. This video is a perfect complement to what we've discussed today, providing you with practical tactics to thrive even in fluctuating market conditions. You can find the video right here on the screen. Click on it to uncover key strategies that can make a significant difference in your real estate career, helping you navigate through any market scenario with confidence and skill. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to helping you continue your journey in real estate.